Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is 10 ways to create a business online. Starting a business online has become increasingly popular in recent years, and for good reason. With the rise of the internet and the availability of affordable technology, it's never been easier to create a business online. In this video, we will be discussing 10 ways to create a business online. Start a blog. Starting a blog is a great way to build a following and establish yourself as an authority in your industry. You can monetize your blog through advertising, affiliate marketing, and selling products or services. Sell products on e-commerce platforms. There are many e-commerce platforms like Amazon, eBay, and Etsy that allow you to sell products online. You can create your own store on these platforms or sell products directly through their marketplace. Create an online course. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create an online course and sell it to people who want to learn. You can create your own website or use platforms like Udemy or Coursera to host your course. Start a YouTube channel. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world and a great platform for building a following. You can monetize your channel through advertising, sponsorships, and selling products or services. Build an e-commerce website. If you want to sell your own products or services, you can create your own e-commerce website. You can use platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce to set up your online store. Offer services online. If you have skills that can be done online, such as graphic design, programming, or writing, you can offer your services through freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Create a membership site. A membership site is a website where people pay a monthly fee to access exclusive content or services. You can create a membership site in almost any industry, from fitness to finance. Offer coaching or consulting services. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can offer coaching or consulting services to help people. You can offer your services through your own website or through platforms like Clarity or Coach.me. Create a mobile app. If you have an idea for a mobile app, you can create it and sell it on app stores like the App Store or Google Play. You can also monetize your app through advertising or in-app purchases. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a form of marketing where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale. You can promote products through your website, social media, or email marketing. So there you have it, 10 ways to create a business online. With so many options available, there's never been a better time to start a business online. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.